Hello everyone. Today we have with us Ayaan Shaikh, who scored All India rank 12 in GATE 2025 exam. So Ayaan, you are currently in third year. So what inspired you to give the GATE exam in third year?
So I have a common case because my JEE advance was ruined because of online examinations and online classes. I decided to go to IITs via GATE. When I learned about GATE, I had not been able to understand the portion or the things of GATE, but when I joined VisionGATE, RSV Sir guided me with the portion.
How did you manage your college along with your GATE preparation?
So as we can notice, the GATE portion coincides with second year and third year CS portion. So I managed to study GATE examination first, and then I excelled in college because of the knowledge that I acquired by GATE.
So could you run me down through your routine?
So the routine was, in the morning I used to come to class for 6 hours and I used to attend the coaching. Then it was like there was a study room for us in the class, so we had spent all day there and we solved many questions. And then when we went home, we revised the concepts for tomorrow's class and come back tomorrow and the routine repeats. When we started giving tests, the routine was different. It was like in the morning we gave 2 tests and then the whole day was spent analyzing those 2 tests.
Okay, what are the difficulties you faced on your journey?
The main difficulty I feel that I faced on my journey was confidence, because not every day is a Sunday. There were some days where in my test I had secured very less marks as compared to the test in the previous days. So that led me to a downfall. But my friends and colleagues were very uh, supportive and motivated me to do better.
And how did you manage to motivate yourself from within?
So I had always dreamed of going to IIT because my brother is also from IIT. He's a pass out, and he has motivated me in many ways. He has taught me some subjects, and the day when I feel low about myself, I just realize that I am made for this.
How do you manage the backlog?
Okay, so there is always some backlog in engineering. You have to accept that. So the thing is, you have to manage it efficiently and smartly enough. If the things are not in your priority list, you have to let them go. If they are in your priority list, like there is a lecture on it or there is a test coming up for that subject, you have to finish the backlog. You have to give yourself 100%.
Talking about priorities, could you tell me what are the important subjects which you gave your 100% and subjects which you did not completely finish?
So there is obviously DSA and maths, which covers almost 60% of the syllabus. So I figured out that I should focus more on DSA and maths rather than some basic subjects like DBMS and COA. But I did not fully lose focus on those subjects. So मैंने वहाँ पर भी प्रिपरेशन छोड़ी नहीं अपनी. COA में मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कर लिए एंड TOC में मैंने बार बार प्रैक्टिस किया ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट इश्यूज दैट आई फेस्ड लाइक अनडिसाइडेबिलिटी और रेगुलर लैंग्वेजेस. और अबाउट DSA और मैथ्स मैं उसमें रोज प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करता था. और there are some subjects which if you do not practice daily it will lead you to forgetting those concepts, like compiler design, the parsers part basically.
Okay, तो तुम्हारा लास्ट मंथ का स्ट्रेटजी क्या था?
So the last month strategy was सुबह आओ, टेस्ट दो, full length test was there, 3 hours का full length test था, and we used to give it as a peer group. There is an importance of peer group in examinations. When you feel low, your friends are there to help you and motivate you through. So 2 tests देते थे हम 3 hours के. Then we used to analyze it thoroughly and identify our mistakes, our common mistakes, and discuss them in the class itself. We used to revise some concepts that were going wrong for many of us. So there was a routine कि सुबह में test दिया and then we discussed and then we revised.
So now you've completed your GATE in third year. So what are you planning next?
So I am planning to give my whole focus to coding and internships, but I will not leave GATE for fourth year. I will still prepare for GATE. I will still prepare for GATE and give my best to acquire a better rank than this.
Which is the one piece of advice you think which is completely useless?
So I think there is a myth in students that you have to complete your GATE syllabus before attempting test. It is not true. You have to give test to analyze and practice your knowledge. If you are behind completing the portion, trust me, it will never happen. You have to give test along with your portion. The things you have studied and the things you have practiced, they will be clear to you only after you give and analyze those tests.
So let's end this interview with one final question. Could you give me your best advice or quote?
सो कोट तो हमारे सर का ही है, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, द रिजल्ट इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. बस करते रहो पढ़ाई, ज़्यादा सोचो मत. सोच में लग जाओगे तो फिर बाद में जो मिल रहा है वो भी नहीं मिलेगा.
चलो ठीक है, let's end this on a high note. Congratulations again.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.